Welcome. On this channel, we share the freshest insights from the world of neural networks, hardware, and technology. Subscribe right now so you don't miss a thing. And if you need your own AI agent, reach out and I'll help you build one tailored to your needs. Today, we're stepping into a digital fairy tale. I am absolutely thrilled to share this explainer of the Nemotron 3.5 ASR system from NVIDIA. It's a modern marvel wrapped in digital wonder. Like true magic, it instantly translates live speech into high-quality text right before your eyes, transforming primordial chaos into a coherent system of knowledge. Just think about the ancient sages for a moment. Long ago, they crafted strict and clear alphabets to bring order to confusion. Well, our new neural network does exactly the same thing. In the past, older architectures were literally like a chaotic wilderness. You needed 40 different models just to handle different languages. It was heavy and honestly a bit of a mess. But now, this single magical file brings pure order to the kingdom. It completely replaces all that primordial chaos with elegant simplicity.
Section 1. Meet the Nemotron model and the magic of live speech translation.
40. This single unified file houses the deep knowledge of 40 different languages. And the most enchanting part is how it actually listens to you. During a live conversation, you don't even need to tell it what language you're speaking. No way. The model automatically and seamlessly determines the correct tongue all on its own. It simply hears your voice, understands the language, and begins its beautiful work. Imagine having 40 master linguists perfectly trapped inside a single digital scroll. It's compact, elegant, and endlessly capable. You no longer need a massive library of models. You just need this one remarkable file. Section 2. Home server hardware setup. Because to house such magic, you definitely need a mighty outpost. 439 megabytes, we deployed our system on a sturdy Ubuntu machine. It's guarded by a powerful NVIDIA RTX server graphics card, packing 48 gigabytes of VRAM. So while our protective Domovoy guards those 48 gigabytes of memory, this new model is astonishingly lightweight. It needs a mere 439 megabytes of video memory. That means you don't need a massive dragon of a computer to use it. You can easily and quickly run this model right on your CPU, bringing the magic directly to anyone. Section 3. Decoding the architecture. Let's transition from the physical outpost to the algorithmic spell itself. 600 million intelligent parameters. Now, in the world of giant neural networks, this is remarkably tiny. Think of these parameters like the wise goddess Mokosh. In ancient folklore, she is the protector of weaving. Just like Mokosh, these 600 million parameters masterfully weave raw threads of sound into a beautiful tapestry of meaning. They turn everyday noise into clear, understandable words. The magic weaves together in precise steps. First, the network instantly converts your audio into a mathematical vector, aligning it perfectly with a language identifier. Next, a linear layer compresses this enormous stream. And finally, it outputs perfectly formatted text, complete with capital letters and commas. This is the RNNT architecture in action. It's a design built purely for fast, real-time confirmation. Truly a precise and beautiful algorithmic spell. But the absolutely crucial point here is speed. Like the speedy cyber dog Samargl from ancient myth, flying forward to catch sparks of words, the program works without delay. It processes tiny audio blocks lasting just 80 milliseconds. But here's a fun trick. If you expand those blocks to 320 milliseconds, the quality improves significantly. It catches every single spark and turns it into crystal clear text. Just an 8% error rate. When tested in English, the model proved it rarely misses a spark. For such a lightweight spell, an 8% error rate is a truly powerful breakthrough. It recognizes human voices accurately and rapidly. It makes local, sovereign systems a very real possibility for our everyday tasks. Section 4. Errors and language limitations. Because even the strongest magic has its weaknesses. Here's where the magic holds and where the monsters win. Languages like English, German, French, Japanese, Arabic, Russian, and Vietnamese worked flawlessly, but the cunning swamp Kikimora caused trouble with Ukrainian and Hindi. Autodetect failed there, forcing a manual override to make them work. And the Dart Forest Leshy completely blocked our path with Urdu and Thai. Those failed entirely because they were simply missing from the core learning base. Section 5. The Sovereign AI Future and How to Control Your Magic. Deciphering so many complex languages in such a small footprint is honestly a modern miracle. It's like the Wind God's Three-Bogue, bringing clear words from all corners of the world straight to your screens. This technology grants you ultimate control over your hardware. You achieve freedom from expensive, closed platforms. And most importantly, your personal voice data stays securely on your local server. Artificial intelligence is becoming truly sovereign. The power is shifting from giant, distant castles back to your own home, keeping your secrets absolutely secure. You become the master of your own digital realm. So, will you claim your sovereign AI future in the new digital Cyber-Rus? I want to thank our channel sponsors for helping us explore this wonderful magic together. Your support makes all of this possible. The independent tech future has already arrived and is waiting for you. These powerful algorithms are ready to serve reliably right in your home. Thank you for joining me on this magical journey. Keep exploring the wonder of technology.